Good afternoon, meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here with your latest weather update. We're looking at more nice weather as we go through the rest of this week. We've just kind of been on this rinse and repeat weather pattern here. We are expecting through Saturday dry conditions and warm temperatures. Rain chances will return Sunday afternoon into our Monday. We're going to see just some slightly cooler temperatures next week. It's going to be a little cooler, but still actually warmer than normal for late September, guys. So here's a look at our Thursday. More of the same. One of these days we're going to be wishing for all this sunshine and dry weather, so soak it up, enjoy it. We've had some phenomenal weather here lately, and check out Thursday, plenty of sunshine. Temperatures pretty much a repeat of what we had on Wednesday. We'll have temperatures warm to the 80s, but we're going to start today with temperatures around 60 or in the low 60s, so the morning hour is pretty comfortable, so that is certainly some good news. These long overnights, as we're getting into this time of year, certainly allow for those temperatures at night to get cooler. Now, you will note, going toward the weekend, those overnight lows go back up again. And that's a product of more humidity coming back to the forecast here. We'll add in a few more clouds as well, but the forecast stays dry through Saturday. I threw in a 10% chance Friday, but there could be one or two straight pop-ups with just a little bit of moisture out there. But really, I think we're going to be looking dry. We're going to look at Sunday in the afternoon through Monday for the main chance for some scattered showers and storms. A lot of this may stay just north and west on Sunday, but then Sunday night into Monday, a chance will shift through the area here. We are looking at least some rain to work through. It looks like the heaviest will be just north and west of us here. In fact, look out in parts of Illinois. They are looking at potential for 1 to 3 inches of rain. It looks like the bullseye will stay west and kind of northwest of Indianapolis. But again, we still look to get some rain out there, and then that'll be followed by some cooler temperatures as we go into next week. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.